How to make Windows Explorer always use detail view. As a developer, I work with a lot of source code files, etc., and I need to copy these around, rename, etc. I'm sure any developer knows the drill. Windows Explorer is really helpful in suggesting different views for different folders. Apparently one source code folder is an image folder, another apparently needs large icons, etc. This appears to be getting worse with every new Windows release. It used to be possible to set a view on a root folder and Windows would pretty much respect that, but Vista keeps guessing wrong no matter what I do. I like many of the other improvements that NES made to Windows Explorer over the years, but this persistent attempt and failure to guess how I want my files listed make it counterproductive and really spoils it all. So I gave up on Windows Explorer and now use Salamander instead. But the problem comes up again every time I use someone else's computer, and whenever a program uses the standard file open/save dialogues. Please, does anyone know of a way to tell Windows Explorer to always use detail view, and keep doing it? Thanks in advance.
Found the fix here. Copy the text between the lines below into Notepad and app, save as a reg file. Watch out for line wrap. key_current_user ... is all one line. Merging the reg file will set the all items template for any folders that don't currently have a view saved with a different template. You can clear all saved views by deleting the q/software/classes/local settings/software/Microsoft/Windows/shell/bags. Key before merging the reg file. If any folders open with a different template after clearing the bags key and amp, merging the reg file, they most likely have a template specified via their desktop.ini file. Good luck. Keith, Microsoft MVP, Windows XP shell/user.
Set the folder you're into detail view, go to Tools and GT, Folder Options, click the View tab, and click Apply to all folders.
Apparently Windows, Vista, as well as XP, likes to reset the view settings of folders on its own, so you have to install third-party software to actually get it to remember the view settings for each folder. Supposedly XDN tweakers make view stick function in the Files and AMP, Folders 3 dialog. Truly horrendous interface design will make your folder view settings actually stick. So then you just need set one folder to details view, check enable each folder's view settings, and then apply to all folders.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.